Describe Course 9 in one word. I would have to say intriguing.
Being Course 9 has given me the incredible opportunity of meeting so many students who are also interested in neuroscience, whether it's vision, cognitive science, or neurological disease. I've been able to work with people with so many diverse interests, all in one great community.
If I had to describe Course 9 in one word, I would say magical. Even though science is a very objective study, I keep finding that as we learn more about the brain, we learn about the incredible things it can do, and it truly seems magical.
Department and doing a Europe. Viral injections, neural disease mouse model, gorgeous GFP.
Just really all my interactions with the students. It's a pretty small department, so you really have the opportunity to get to know everybody in your classes and work together and hear about all the research that everyone's doing. People are super passionate about whatever area of BCS they're interested in, and they're really excited to talk to you about what they're doing and what they care about, and I really appreciate that.
As an area of study, I find epilepsy to be the most interesting area of brain and cognitive sciences. I personally have epilepsy, and that's what motivated me to come to MIT and learn more about it and try to find treatments and a potential cure for it.
My favorite area of research is in memory, because memory is so intricate in our everyday lives, and you couldn't be the person you are today without the memories that you have inside you.
I like that the brain is really complex and mysterious. I feel like there's always something more we can discover about it. I also like that everything we say, think, and do ties back to the brain.
Exploring Europes. I definitely came into Course 9 not being completely sure what I wanted to do in neuroscience. And so I've had a couple of Europes while I've been here at MIT as an undergrad. And both of them do very different research, but it's really interesting being able to delve deeply into both subjects. One of them was interested in sleep, and the other one was interested in this transcription factor called MPAS4, and just seeing like the different sides of neuroscience and seeing how interdisciplinary it is.
My haiku about the brain is, I make you so smart, don't eat me because prions, I might be squishy.
Well, I've actually only taken one Course 9 class, 900 Intro to Psychology, but it's been amazing. The professor, Professor Gabriele, has a great sense of humor, and I like how he uses actual experiments and case studies to illustrate concepts rather than just giving generalizations or facts.
My other favorite class would be 940. Maybe I'm kind of masochistic about that, but it was extremely interesting to apply like biophysics of channels to neurons and try to understand how action potential works, and then model that with MATLAB code. That was really cool.
Molecular neuroscience is my favorite area within brain and cognitive sciences, and I'm particularly interested in neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease or Parkinson's.
If I had to describe Course 9 here at MIT in one word, I would describe it as integrative. It really aims to synthesize different fields of research. We can look at things such as the development of the nervous system and how very fundamental changes can cause widespread effects. We have systems neuroscientists who work on really these large communication pathways throughout the body and how those can, be understood or exploited.
I've been in Wei Feng Su lab for about 2 years, and it's really helped me grow as a researcher and as a scientist. I've learned so many techniques, and I've also learned so much about determination and perseverance, because research can be really hard at times. Sometimes experiments just don't work out, or they don't give you the results you're hoping for.
And we can look at things such as the interface between machines and the brain, and how technologies can be advanced to further the quality of life of people living with maybe different deficits in their ability to interact with the world.
So I wish telepathy were possible, but I really don't think that it is, and this is because our thoughts are seemingly occurring due to chemical interactions and electrical energy that runs between neurons within our brain. So telepathy would involve another person's neurons intercepting these communications within our own neurons, and I just don't think that's happening.
Do you think telepathy is possible, and why?
Sorry guys, it's not possible.
We also have cognitive neuroscientists who work on, really understanding what is the neural basis of cognition. So,
And mouse brains are really cute. They look like little bunnies. Like these ones.
Course 9 in one word. Electrifying!